welcome to Paddleboard Places, where we take you on paddleboard excursions across the country. And we show you where to park, where to launch, and what you want to see.
How much it might cost, all the details that you need to know.
And today's a special day because we are where?
We're in Hawaii. We're on the island of Oahu, and we're at a place called Kahana Park. And it's a state park. There's a bay on one side of the park, and there's a river on the other side of the highway. So sometimes there's an opening from the bay to the river.
Not today though.
But today we launched straight from the river. We'll show you where we parked and give you all those details.
So come with us, it's going to be a great day. To get to the Kahana Bay, you want to take Highway 83 up the northeast side of Oahu. Type into your GPS Ahupua'a o Kahana State Park.
Okay, we're coming up to Kahana Bay, and this is where we are going to paddleboard today. We're going to maybe do a little bit in the bay. It looks a little rough. I think we're going to stick to the river that comes out.
So here's the park you want to go in. There's your entrance and parking right there. In the parking lot, we see a couple of pigs, a lot of pigs. There are wild pigs here, we heard that. And yeah, I don't know that you want to approach them. They are wild, but part of the experience. At the Kahana River, here's your launch spot.
We're super excited to check this out. I've driven by this every time we come to Hawaii and have wanted to test it out, see where this little river goes. So here we go. Oh, it's a little windy out. Hopefully the river is a bit protected, or we're in for a fun ride.
Just try to be careful down here as you get in. There's a couple of branches. I don't know how solid they are. I feel like they're all right. Okay, you're going to come to a T in the river really fast. And if you go left, I think you go back out to the bay toward the ocean. We're going right. Yeah, we'll check them both out, but we're going to start going to the right because this is back into the mountains and a little less ocean oriented. It's very pretty, and the interesting thing is once you turn to the right and you get going a little bit, it becomes glassy and smooth, and we're ready for this adventure. It's gonna be fun.
Oh, so pretty.
The further back you get in here, the quieter it is, the calmer the water is. It's peaceful and tropical.
It's starting to rain a little on us. Oh, honey. That happens in Hawaii. Oh my goodness, look how pretty this is. We're gonna have to duck up here. Oh, there's a swing. Wow. That's all I can say is wow. Every corner you turn, it just gets prettier and prettier. Look at this. Wow. Truly natural.
Check this out, this big tree right in the middle of the river. There's some room to pass on the left. Looks like it's been here for hundreds of years.
I'm glad there's no alligators in Hawaii.
Yeah, well, they would catch us for sure.
I don't think there could be a shark in here.
No, there's no way.
It's just a nice, safe place to go.
We were hoping there maybe be some turtles in here, but we haven't even seen those. But you're gonna just love this place.
I don't think there's an opening to the ocean. Well, we haven't gone up the other fork, so there could be an opening.
We'll see. We'll let you know. Okay, they're everywhere. Branches, sticks. So it really is an adventure. Really is an adventure. You've got birds chirping. You've got branches that you're moving and ducking.
This is so gorgeous. We've probably said that 1,000 times. Look at this jungle. Lush garden. Tropical paradise.
We're at a spot where there's no way you could stand up in here. You got this big grassy field over here to the left, and then all these tree branches, and we're just kind of maneuvering through it. It is awesome. Yeah, we're now back in the current as we get through a little bit of a clearing in the trees, and it's still amazing. Look at all the ferns, got all kinds of greenery in here.
Wow, this is just beautiful, guys.
It's a jungle.
It is a jungle.
And it's pretty deep. Now we watch the tree branches.
Reminds us a little bit of our trip in Cancun in the mangrove forest.
Kind of like a Disneyland adventure.
Yeah, we're on
Adventure ride.
a jungle cruise. Just like a jungle cruise today. Oh, look at this. Whoa, I'm going through.
We are at a part where we need to stop. The water current is so strong. It's like fighting against the ocean, and you can see under there, it's getting less, there's less and less room. And so we are gonna turn around right here. And the clouds have come out, so it may rain on us, but hey, that's all part of the experience, right, hon? And we're holding on for dear life. See the water just flying by us. But wow, what an experience. Amazing. Right?
Yeah, awesome.
Let's do it again.
Coming back to the end. Had a wonderful time. Spectacular. Nature at its finest. And found some wild pineapples. Check this out. Too bad they're not ripe. But they're all over up and down the river. So cool.
Okay, so we finished the path to the right, and now we're going to left. We'll show you what that looks like. I think it goes out toward a bay, maybe even toward the ocean.
It's a pretty little ride to the left as well. Although you hear the cars on the highway right there. But it is beautiful. Starting to sprinkle on us a little bit.
It's equally intriguing on the left side as it was on the right, with lots of vegetation, a lot more wide open, hardly any down tree branches, a better, smoother ride if you like that. We're going up to a bridge up here.
Fun little bridge to go under the highway there. It's nice and wide out here. It's pretty.
You come out of the bridge, you get to this wide open spot in the river. Nothing like the right side. We haven't had to push one tree branch the whole time, but still beautiful. We're at the end, and the end takes you out to the ocean. So it's pretty mild little trip and scenic, but with a lot less obstacles than if you go right.
Okay, we got the answer to our question whether or not this meets the ocean. It does. Probably higher or lower versus, depending on the tide. It's a bit windy today, so we're gonna stick to the river and not go do the bay. But you could paddle across the bay to make it a little more of a longer adventure. There's some beach here. And I believe there is parking along this highway that's on, I'll show you on a map. But you could park and launch from the highway.
Okay, so this was really kind of cool. I mean, we didn't know what to expect.
Yeah.
We started on the other side, so we thought it'd be the same. Wasn't anything like it, although it was gorgeous, wooded, tropical, and leads out to the ocean. So enjoy this side if you want to go left. So this part, when you go left from that launch area, it's about 15 minutes. 15 minutes up, probably 15 back. If you need a short half-hour ride, that's the way to go. Going back under the bridge. It's kind of crazy to see the cars right there flying by. It'll get quiet soon once we get buried in the back of this tropical forest. All right, I know what you're thinking. How could we give an 11 out of 10 on every category for this paddleboard trip? But we had to. This was unbelievable. In Kahana Bay, we were in a river, in a creek, we were in a lake type part, we were in a bay, and we were in the ocean. We were standing and enjoying ourselves. We were sitting, we were kneeling and moving tree branches, all in this lush jungle. It was truly amazing and definitely worth 11 out of 10. Okay, that was the river at Kahana and was unbelievable. Love that there are two options. The right, where you could go for days on that path.
We really don't know where it ends, but
we don't know where it
does
ends.
Get shallower and the river starts flowing a little more like a creek. It gets kind of creek size.
I'm sure it ends somewhere,
Up
but
the mountains.
we didn't go there. And then the left side, which is 15 minutes out to the bay and the beach, and 15 back. So you've got your option either way, but
Or do both, like we are.
it was an adventure, like crazy adventure. If you like kind
Just
of
beauty.
looking through, trees and moving branches and up and down, and this is
Tropical.
a great tropical paddle for you. You will love this.
Smooth water. It was great.
Yeah.
A few launch options. We launched at the state park. You could also launch over off the highway by the ocean and hop in there.
A couple different spots. And you need to remember to rent boards. There's no board rental right here,
That we
so you're going to
know
have to
of.
rent
We
some
have-
boards and bring them.
We have seen a rental company online that will deliver them to you.
Yeah.
So there are a few options.
And it's worth it. So
Yes.
you've got to come here.
Figure it out and come, and be sure to like and subscribe.
And until next time, keep paddling, everyone.